Hello, myself Anirvan Krishna, roll number 21EE30004, and I am going to present my second assignment for the Do-It-Yourself course for the autumn semester of 21-22. For this assignment, I have prepared a model of automatic light system using light-dependent resistors or LDR sensors, also known as the photoresistors. For this simulation, I have used a software known as Tinkercad. In the Tinkercad software, we can see the digital simulation of our electronic circuit. For assembling this circuit, I have used one Arduino Uno, a breadboard, LED, LDR sensors, also known as photoresistors, a multimeter whose function is going to be to detect the voltage, and an oscilloscope which will detect the pattern of the signals which would be passing through this LED. Now let us have a look at the C++ code which will bring the simulated circuit into existence. So here are the code blocks for this circuit, and for creating this code I have introduced one variable known as sensor read, which will take the input from the analog pin A0 and will give its output from the digital pin number 9. Now let us copy this code and paste into an Arduino IDE for compilation and to check whether there are any errors in our circuit or not. Let us paste our copied code into this Arduino IDE to compile it for any errors which might become a hindrance in the smooth execution of the circuit simulation. Now let us compile the code. Let us wait for a few seconds, and we can see that the compilation has been done and the code is completely correct. Now let us move to the final part, that is the circuit simulation. Returning back to Tinkercad, let us execute our code and start the simulation. With the simulation, we would know some insights of our circuit. Now let us have a look at the oscilloscope, which is showing the signals which are passing through this LED. This photoresistor circuit has been designed in such a manner that as the ambient light increases, this LED intensity decreases. And as the intensity of the ambient light decreases, the LED starts glowing with a higher voltage. This has been done on purpose to ensure that as the light gets dimmer and dimmer, the LEDs can glow automatically, which would reduce the manual labor. This would be an excellent system in automatic street light generation and also in some home appliances. So we can see that the circuit is running smoothly. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you all for watching.